All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their LED magnetic flashlight. Now, this is another great gift for men, for dads, for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, stocking stuffers, etc. Bright LED light, powerful magnet head and base, 360-degree flexible. Same here, nothing there, same there, nothing there, same there. And then the back, just a little bit of information of the company and stuff like that. So let's open this on up, slide it off the top here. Bingo. Wow, look at this. So we have a little instruction manual showing you how everything works. Very nice. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries, of course. And then here is the actual magnetic LED light. So if I unscrew the head here, that's where we get the batteries. So there is extra batteries down in here. Gotta love that. And so now we've got our little 3 LED light there. Very nice. Also, you can unscrew from here, which this is where you get that 300. Wow, what? I didn't realize it went that long. Wow. But this is where you get that 360-degree look, feel. Now, the other cool thing about it is the front here, where these LEDs are, is magnetic. And if we push all this back down, wow, I love that design. We've also got a little clip to clip it on, company name there, and then another magnet at the bottom. So, you could stick this to something and use the light, etc. And so really, I think that's about it for this LED flashlight. Well, again, thanks to this company for sending us this product to unbox and show to you. It is nice that you get extra batteries, and this will definitely be handy for any hardworking man. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.